Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now by choosing two dependable anchors. Pick trees or posts spaced to match your intended ridge length. Once chosen, run a 10-12 mm static line between them and tension lightly. Make sure to clip in a redundant carabiner at each anchor and add a short cordelette backup. This prevents failure if one point slips. Tighten to remove slack, then lock the primary knots. This establishes a safe baseline so you can build the rest quickly and confidently. Now focus on achieving maximum reliable tension. Employ a trucker's hitch or a pulley-assisted system to reach firm, sag-free line. Once taut, attach midline loops at regular spacing. 1 to 1.5 meters keeps loads even and prevents concentrated strain. Make sure each loop is tied with a secure, not like a bowline or an adjustable loop, so you can fine-tune positions. Also, add a secondary safety line running parallel. This buys you redundancy and peace of mind during use. Finish by locking every knot and securing loose tails. If you used synthetic rope, whip or heat shrink exposed ends to prevent slippage. Then perform a progressive load test. Add weight slowly up to your expected maximum plus 20%, watching for stretch or slippage. If you see more than 5 to 7 centimeters of sag, stop and retension the system or adjust the midline attachments. If persistent movement continues, switch to a better anchor or add a mechanical tensioner. That single fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.